Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to receive money on PayPal. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the PayPal app or visit the official PayPal website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click on this gear and it will take you to your account settings. Here you will see your primary email address is already linked to your PayPal account. You can simply share this email address with the person who wants to send you money. They can use it to send a payment directly to your PayPal account. You can also request a payment instead. To do this, go to the Send and Request section at the top of the screen. Next, enter the email address or name of the person you want to request money from, then click Next. After that, enter the amount you want to receive. You can also add a note describing what the payment is for, if needed. Once you've entered all the details, click Request. Here, just review your request and then click on Request Now button. PayPal will send a payment request to the recipient. Now, simply wait for the sender to complete the payment. Once they send the money, you'll receive a notification from PayPal and the funds will appear in your PayPal balance. And that's it. So that's basically how you can receive money on PayPal. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.